Good morning, wonderful viewers. Welcome back to my page, Medicinato class. Today we'll be teaching a past question on chemistry. Listing. One problem we have is that the JAM students, we always think that there is still time. If you are preparing for JAM, I will start preparing by now. So this is a JAM question. It said the basicity of tetraoxophosphate 5 acid is what? A said 1, B said 2, C said 3, D said 4. So we're going to find the basicity of tetraoxophosphate 5. But the funniest aspect of this is that some of us don't even know how to write out this tetraoxophosphate form. That's the only problem we have in chemistry. So now let's write it out. And I also tell you why they call it tetraoxophosphate 5. Now, this is what they mean by tetraoxophosphate 5. And I will show you why they call it tetraoxophosphate 5. If you want to know why, you are going to find the oxidation of phosphorus because it is phosphate 5. That means it is referring to phosphorus. So you are going to find the oxidation number of phosphorus before you know why they are calling it tetraoxophosphate 5 acid. So you are going to find the oxidation number of phosphorus inside this compound before we can now go to the main question. Now let's find it. And we have that 3 inside bracket plus 1. You need to learn your valencies. This plus 1 is the valency of hydrogen. Plus, I will represent phosphorus as X. Plus X plus 4 multiplied by minus 2 equals to 0. This minus 2 is the valency of oxygen, and this 4 is from oxygen inside the question. So now equals to 0. 3 multiplied by 1 is 3. Don't be confused by this plus 1. This plus is just trying to show you that hydrogen has a plus, like a positive valency. That's why there's plus here. So now 3 times 1 will give you 3 plus X, then 4 times minus 2. I'm supposed to write plus 4 continuously, but they say like 4 times minus 2 give you minus 8. So that minus 8 is going to change this plus. It will now be 3 plus X minus 8 equals to 0. Because if 4 multiply minus 2, it will give you minus 8. So it will now be 3 plus X minus 8 equals to 0. Therefore, my X will be equals to 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 equals to 5. And if you should write in numeric, form, it will be V. So that is why they call this compound tetraoxophosphate. Sorry, tetraoxophosphate 5 acid. So this is how to find the oxidation number so that you know why they call this compound this name. As a science student, you should be curious. Now let's go to the question of the day, which said the basicity of tetraoxophosphate 5 acid is what? Now it's just simple. If you learn how basicity, HJ4. Now if you dissociate this thing now, it will give you 3 hydrogen ion plus phosphorus. So if you dissociate this compound now, this is what it's going to give you. And what they mean by basicity is the replaceable hydrogen ion in a compound. So it has 3 replaceable hydrogen ion in a compound. That's why it has a basicity of 3, which is option C. So it can also do for carbonate, hydrogen carbonate. If you dissociate it, it will give you 2 hydrogen ion plus I will just like that. I'll not be teaching everything. See. So this the answer to the question C. Thank you for watching. Like, follow, share, and comment on my videos. You can also follow me on YouTube, Mediclato, for more science topics. Thank you.